Hi ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another episode of the Body Language Curriculum. My name is Jesse Lopez and we're going to be working our way through the vocabulary associated with the newcomer class. Inside of our classes in West Coast Swing, you'll hear the term slot. Now the slot isn't referring to a person, you're a slot, but rather to the imaginary line that goes out from our bodies as we're dancing together. The slot is something that extends indefinitely in front of and behind the dancers. Now, that dancer is specifically the follower, so wherever the follower is located, that's where our slot currently is. Leaders, we constantly adjust our dance in order to fit the follower who is the constant inside of West Coast Swing. We name the patterns after what the follower does, so we are also going to take our slot based off of where the follower is. If the follower were here, that's where my slot would be. If the follower was there, I wouldn't want to dance on this slot because the follower is on this slot. And it's going to tend to be oriented along with the slots of the other dancers in the room. So try not to go against each other and end up in a big mess. That's the slot. That's what I needed you guys to know.
A slut.
What did you call me? She laughed. The slot. At least I follow it. That should have been a really funny joke. I don't know how to make that work. Boomsies.